What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. This time I'm going to be talking extensively on how to perform a soft and hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy S10. So there are kind of two main ways to perform a soft reset, and there's another two for hard reset as well. We're going to start with a soft reset first, since this one is the least invasive. Okay, so this soft reset will not delete any of your data, so you will be fine here. So the simple soft reset, okay, this is the first way, is to hold your power button and power it off completely. So this is probably the quickest, easiest way, okay? And you just power it off and turn it on afterwards by holding the same power button. I know we're covering all the soft resets, so this one is the easiest one. The second soft reset will involve some other buttons. So this, you could give it a shot if your Samsung is glitching a little bit or freezing. I would probably give it a shot then. Let me just unlock this. All right, perfect. So So the second soft reset would be holding the volume down on the left side. So we have volume up, down, Bixby button, and then power button here. So you'd hold the volume down and power button together. So it's gonna take a screenshot, which is fine, but just keep on holding. Keep on holding those two and then let it go, and it's gonna give you a soft reset as well. Again, probably a very useful step if your phone is glitching, freezing, just playing up a little bit. Nothing better than a quick soft reset. Now, another way to perform a reset would be a hard reset. So if those two didn't really help you, then I would definitely go with a hard reset. Now, the hard reset is more invasive in the sense that it's gonna delete all your data. So be mindful of that, make a backup if necessary. I'm not gonna cover the backup side of things in this video. So how to do the hard reset? So there are two methods. I'm gonna start with the first one. So first of all, just power off your phone completely. I'm just gonna turn it off. Now there will be different types of buttons that we'll have to press at the same time. So what you will have to do, if you will have to hold the volume up and Bixby button together. So I'm gonna hold those two together, and then I'm gonna hold the power button as well. So I'm holding three buttons at the same time, and when I see Samsung logo, I let go of those buttons straight away. So again, it will be volume up and Bixby button together. While I'm holding those, I start holding the power button, and then once I see the Samsung logo, I let go of all three. And you can see it's bringing us this this menu here. Let me just zoom on that business here. I don't know if you can see it well. So there will be a couple of options, and you can use volume down and volume up to choose between them. And you're looking for option wipe data factory reset. Okay, so again, this is gonna wipe all the data, and it's gonna give you this warning. If your phone is reset, you may need to enter the Google account information. So the thing is, if you had your Google account on your phone for security purposes, let's say if the device was stolen, if someone wiped the data on your device, they would still need to enter your username, email address, and password. So if you're doing this step, the best thing would be to do it beforehand and remove that kind of protection. But if you want to go ahead and do wipe data factory reset, just press power button. It's going to ask you again for confirmation, and you're gonna go with wiping that information. Now I'm not gonna do it really. I'm just gonna reboot system right now. But that would be the hard reset, and that's a first way of doing it. There is also a second way, which is in situations when your device is working fine and you're able to get to settings of your device. So I'm gonna show you this one in a second once this phone is booted. So we're just gonna unlock it. Perfect. So let's go ahead. So in terms of doing the hard reset through settings, you'd have to go to settings and then general management and then reset, and you'd have a couple of different resets here, but we'd go with the factory data reset. And this option is telling you, okay, we're gonna delete all the data, all the accounts that you have, so please use smart switch to back up all the data. So again, it's gonna let you know all the data will be completely destroyed. So if you're happy with that, just reset and go ahead with factory reset. Now, I've mentioned that there is this protection for your Google account, so I'm just going to show you how to switch it off or remove it. And now again, you'd probably do it if you have access to the settings and before doing a hard reset at all. It's just easier this way. But generally, what you'd have to do is go to settings again and then accounts. So accounts and backup. Sorry, I hope this is sharpening. And then accounts. And then you'd be looking for Google accounts. I have mine here. You just click on that, remove account, and just remove it from your device. I'd probably remove all the accounts that are here just in case, but this is the kind of protection that Google would use in case the phone is stolen. So anyway, that's it guys. 2 soft resets, 2 types of hard resets as well, and kind of this protection Google account removal. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe or let me know if there's anything at all that I could help with. I hope you have a good one and see you in the next one.